Put in a dark bitch, stop in a hard bitch, not a hard carpet, and look on her scar bitch. Your girl bleed, my girl scream, your girl sleeping, my girl dreaming. They all creaming, we all creaming, we all creeping, they all screaming, we all eating, we all cheating, we all bleeding, we all fleeing. Put in a dark bitch, stop in a hard bitch, not a hard carpet, look on her scar bitch.
Oh my god. It's ting fam. Raw. Angles, angles. Hey, we're actually like officially in the fucking road.
In Modball, guys!
Yeah.
There's Aston in front.
Look at that back, fam.
Look at that back.
Jeez! G'day!
Oh, hey.
Watch me like ends that fucking event.
You fucking better not.
Fuck it. This guy do it, fam.
Oh, is that
This
Ollie?
guy do it, fam.
Dick face. Who's that?
Dick face.
Yo, John, you have my text.
Oi, 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 oi.
This Donny straight. Oh no.
Doesn't give a fuck. He saw a Lamborghini. He said, let me get something.
Oh, that can't go to that.
Nah, yeah, that's cool. He's going to the rich people.
Yeah, man. Hey, I mean, it's not a bad shout, is it? So.
Bro, I can like feel the heat. I'm pretty sure it's coming from that Lambo.
No, straight. 3, 2, 1. Hey.
See, it sounds okay, and then you
It
get
does
there,
sound
you're like,
fair.
hey, you're a bitch.
It does sound fair. I'm not gonna lie. That's red light.
Nah, I'm not gonna make that.
Shit.
He just doesn't give a fuck, to be honest, because he's missed like 2 fucking red lights.
That is fucking so lucky. Oh my god. Fuck it, man. Fuck it.
Go on, brother. Dude, go. What is he doing?
Fucking.